What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Niro smart key remote fob. So there's a few different options for these years of Kia Niro. This battery change is going to apply to the key fobs that look like this, that are this style, and have the key that flip out like that. And it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. The other things I'm going to need are a small Phillips head screwdriver and a regular sized flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and then hold it so that the logo side is facing down. Then if we take a look at the bottom of it near the key ring and we grab our flathead screwdriver, you can see on this back cover there's a little bit of a notch right here that the end of the screwdriver's on. So what I'm going to do is get my screwdriver in that notch and pry up on that back cover like that. Pop that back cover off, and then we see there's another cover with 4 screws in it right here. I'm going to grab that small Phillips head screwdriver and take these 4 screws out. Once you get those 4 screws out, we can pop this off. You should just get your fingernail on there and kind of get it off there like that. Now we see our battery right here, and for this part I'm going to grab this flathead screwdriver and use it just to get under the edge of it. And if you're using a little bit of a smaller screwdriver, will actually even be easier, but just get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And if we look at this battery holder, you can see if we're holding it this way so the key blade's facing up, on the bottom of the holder, there's these kind of 2 tabs that stick out just slightly more. What you're going to want to do is tuck the battery in behind those 2 tabs like that. Start it in like that, tuck it behind there, and then snap it down into place like that. Then we'll reverse everything we just did to put it back together. We'll snap that on, put those 4 screws in. Just to save time, I'm not actually going to put them in, but make sure you get all 4 screws in. And then we'll grab our back cover, snap that on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.